most people think you need advanced coding, perfect English, and years of experience to succeed in web development and freelancing. That is not true. And in this course, I will prove it. Hi, my name is Mohammed Yusuf. I am a WordPress developer and freelancer with 2 years of experience building websites, working with clients, and learning through real projects. This is a step-by-step WordPress mastery course specially designed for beginners, freelancers, and anyone who want to earn online with practical knowledge. In this course, you will learn WordPress from absolute zero, themes, plugins, and page builders, how to build real and professional websites, how to think like a freelancer, not just a developer, client hunting, pricing, and basic of communication, and how AI tool can speed up your work, and how to grow step by step if you are not perfect in English. This course will be divided into clear episodes, short, focus-based, practical demos, not unnecessary theory. Everything is explained in simple and beginner-friendly. I am not here to show you perfection. I am here to show you progress. I am building, learning, and growing, and you will grow with me. If you want to start freelancing or improve your communication, this course is definitely for you. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and let's start this journey together.